How to cut long face framing layers. Hello Foxies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking to cut my hair. I haven't cut my hair since I last cut it on this channel back in December of 2018. Since then I've just been letting it grow and grow. These are my bangs grown out, and the rest of my hair is all one length. Today I'm going to create some face framing layers that will blend in these grown out bangs to the rest of my hair. The general shape of the back of my hair is currently pretty square-ish, and I'd really like a curved or like a V shape in the back. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair. Sectioning the hair is probably the most important part of this haircut. This will help you get a more consistent and predictable haircut. I'm starting with sectioning away the sides. These will get the most hair removed. I'm taking my comb and drawing a line from the top of the side down to my finger, which is right behind my ear. Since I haven't trimmed the length of my hair in a couple of years, I really need to tidy up these ends. I'm going to split the top half from the bottom so that it's easier to cut. And then after combing my hair straight down, I'm just going to take an inch off the bottom. So I'm holding the scissors right behind my back at a right angle to the floor and gonna make a cut straight across. I would definitely recommend buying a new pair of hair cutting scissors before you try this. I have a pair of hair cutting scissors, but I bought them a few years ago and I really want this to come out good. So I got a new pair for this video. I'm also going to split my hair in half and check the hair from the front also. I'm going to start with finding my old bangs and separating them from the rest of my hair. If you don't already have bangs, this is where you may want to section a small front triangle and then cut to the shortest length. I'm going to take my bangs, comb them out flat, and then cut on an inverted V shape. Taking small vertical sections near the front, I'm going to over-direct my hair to the opposite side and cut the rest of my hair to the length of my bangs. I'm going to over-direct every section of the same place and cut a vertical line. With each section that I add to the hair will gradually be cut from shortest to longest, creating some really nice front layers. This also helps to taper the back in the shape with a nice curved shape instead of a very square, straight line across. I wanted to be able to show both a straight and curly version of the before and after. Today I'm using a curling wand by Duval. I really love the swivel handle and cord, which make any angle pretty easy. I have a 70% off discount code for this wand. I'll leave that for you in the description box below. To get this look is pretty easy. I'm just curling each side toward the back, and once it cools, I fluff it out and rake it with my fingers. Here's a little before and after. I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. Stay foxy.